I am going to do a savory, that is layered savory rice with chicken and vegetables. So, we will see how it is done so that it is going to be a wholesome meal like. To do that, first I need the rice to be cooked. So, we will see how the rice is being cooked in a very tasty way. So, we will go through that. First thing, I put the ghee into this. 1 dessert spoon of ghee we will put for this. Dessert spoon of oil also we put. I have got some ingredients: cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, rump, that is pandan leaf, curry leaves, onions, shredded onions, garlic. All that you put and nicely stir fry. After about 2 or 3 minutes of stir frying, I washed the rice and I strained it so that sambar rice I am using. I will put the rice and stir fry. I took a cup of rice. So, I need 2.5 cups of stock. Then I will use for the balance water. And now we start cooking this. Adding a little salt also. We can use a little turmeric also. Not a lot, but a little bit of turmeric. Put all these together, cover and cook the rice now. Now what I am going to do is cut the chicken into small pieces and I am going to put salt, turmeric, pepper, mix it nicely and I am going to boil this now. First thing, we will cook in its own juice. Now see, the water goes off. Put oil and stir fry. While I am putting the oil, I have a little bit of ghee also. I will use that ghee too. And stir fry this. That is being done. I can show you the other ingredients. I have got shredded onions, ginger, garlic, curry leaves and pandan leaves, and then cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. All that is there. So that we are going to put, but not immediately. I won't use that immediately. First thing, this has to get nicely cooked. Now I will start adding all these other ingredients together. While we are stir frying, I am going to add coriander seeds and cumin seed crushed into this. Now I am going to add chili powder. Say at least 3 teaspoons you add. Into this now I am going to add the water. Allow this chicken to get cooked. Now I am going to use the milk. We can use even coconut milk, it's nice, it's tasty. We add the coconut milk. While it is being cooked, I am taking out a little bit of the gravy that I need it. I have taken the gravy out, let it simmer. I take the cinnamon and a few large pandan leaves, we will take it out. Now I will dish out this and keep it aside. I put a little oil and see, first thing I am going to put the onion. Red onions full. Just put those and stir fry. Put the red pepper. Then we use the green pepper. That is, if you like, you can use those, or else what we can do is now capsicum chilies. That also I put into this. Still I haven't used any seasoning. I am putting a little salt, pepper, turmeric, chili pieces. Lastly, I will add the tomatoes. Now the rice is ready separately, and watch what I am really doing here. This gravy I am going to put into the rice. I took the gravy from the chicken so that we can put into the rice. Keep the rice ready. Put that in the Pyrex dish. Then what I am going to do is I am putting the rice. Then comes the chicken. Balanced rice. Comes the vegetables on top. Now what I am going to do is cover with another banana leaf. Cover this, and what are we going to do? We are going to bake this for about 15 minutes. We will bake for 15 minutes and take it. Oh, lovely. The layered rice with chicken and vegetables are ready. Now you can see I just baked and took it out, and it looks so delicious. We don't need any decoration as such for this, and at the bottom there is a banana leaf, and top also there is a banana leaf, which I have to cover and keep it. I just want to show you, cover and keep till you take it out. Try, and I want you to taste. Tell me how it is, right? Because next episode I will come out with another nice episode. See you till then. Bye from me now.